Hi guys, how you doing? You're welcome to this video. So today's video is basically me showing you guys how I achieve a clean makeup look. If you want to see what I achieved and how I did it, please keep watching. So I'm just brushing my brows upwards and then I am filling them in with my brow pen, I believe. All the products I use in this video will be listed in the description bar below, so please have a look there to see what products I'm using. And now I'm just brushing in the product and blending it with my eyebrows just so that it looks natural and it is one with the brows, okay? And now I'm just cleaning underneath my brows / correcting / highlighting. But if you noticed, I'm using a concealer that's really close to my skin tone. This is all in aid for the natural sort of clean makeup look. Now I'm just applying my primer. Again, every product I use will be listed in the description bar below. And just concentrating this primer on the parts of my face that I get shiny. So that's my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and just the side of my nose there. Now going back with the concealer that I used for my brows, just applying those on my under eye and using the concealer on basically every part of my face that I've got blemishes and like dark marks and stuff. Now just blending those out, blending everything using a fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go in and blend my under eye as well, just making sure everything sort of matches with my skin tone really. Again, just blending my under eye, blending everything in, and then I will continue blending and continue blending. Now just taking my foundation, I've literally taken a tiny drop of my foundation and I sprayed it with my setting spray. It's the NYX finishing spray that I used. Now taking a fluffy brush, I am just spreading that all over my face and making sure I have covered every area of my face with the foundation basically. Forgetting to take the foundation past my jawline and onto my neck just so the line of demarcation won't be very visible. So now I'm taking a lighter concealer. This concealer is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my natural skin tone, and just applying that underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose and my forehead. And I'm going to take a a much more lighter concealer. This one is from Tarte ShapeTape, and then also placing that underneath my eye. So the Tarte ShapeTape concealer is basically just to give me extra brightness because I do like a bright under eye. And then I noticed that some of my blemishes are still visible, so I put the first concealer that I used all over my face again and just blending it out with a more denser brush. So as this look is the sort of clean makeup, neutral makeup look, you want to take your time and blend everything in just so that the harsh lines are not visible and they're all blurred out and it's all sort of blended in with your skin. Now I noticed that the clip where I blended my under eye was missing. I do apologize for this. So this here, you can just see where I'm sort of blending it out again, taking the excess on my eyelids and just making sure everything is blended in properly. And then I'm just taking the clean part of my beauty blender, again going all over my face, going over everything that I've applied and just blending it all in properly. Now taking my setting powder, dabbing off the excess on the back of my hand. If you are not new to my channel, you see that I do this all the time. I don't actually bake unless I'm doing my eye after I've done my face. So this is what I do. I dab off the excess on the back of my hand and then I go in with the product and just place it underneath my eye and on my eyelids as well. And yeah, just basically setting the sections of my face that I have concealed and highlighted. Now the only parts of my face that I bake is usually the bridge and the tip of my nose. As you will see, those are the only parts of my face that I'm literally gonna bake. Now I'm just reapplying some more setting powder just for that extra brightness, which is what I am going for. So what I like to do with my setting powder is to press it into my skin so it sinks into my skin. Now just going in with my Juvia's Place bronzing palette, taking the lighter brown shade from that palette and just using it to contour the outer parts of my face, so my forehead and the side of my cheekbones, and then also going in with the same product on the outer parts of my nose, and then just blending in. Also taking my blush palette from Juvia's Place and just applying that on my cheeks as well, and blending that in with my beauty blender after I have applied the product with my contour brush. Now I'm just applying my face powder. The one I'm using is my matte mineralized skin finish powder. I'm just applying that all over my face, again just to tie in all of the products. Now because this is a clean sort of natural no makeup look, for me that translates to no lashes. I don't know, that's just me. So I decided not to put any lashes for this look. Instead I am just applying mascara to my natural lashes and then taking the brown shade that I used to contour, just applying that all over my lids just so there is some kind of color on my lid. And then I'm taking my NYX setting spray and just spraying my face. Again, this will help to melt all of the makeup into my skin, and then just applying a highlighter from the Morphe Babe in Paradise highlighter palette. Now for lipstick, I am taking my MAC Candy Yum Yum lipstick and I've applied that in the middle section of my lips, and then what I'm doing is just using my fingers to blend it all out. As I'm going for the natural look, I just believe like a nice, you know, pinkish lip ties in well with the whole look. And yeah, so just blending it out to, you know, my desired look, and then applying my Vaseline all over my lips again, just for that natural glow, that natural gloss. And there you have it. This is the finished look. Guys, I was so in love with this look. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you think about the look in the comments bar below. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.